Hello everyone, today's recipe, Korean radish kimchi. First, wash and wipe the radish, then peel and cut it in a bite size. Add the rock salt, sugar, mix it well and leave it for 4 hours. In a pot, add half cup of water and 1 tablespoon of glutinous rice powder. In a medium heat, continuously mix it for just 1 minute. Let it cool. So after 4 hours, you can see some water, remove it. Make sure to strain it well. Cut the apple and onion into small pieces, then put it together in chopper mixer and grind it. We can now add all the seasoning, the mixture glutinous rice, red chili pepper, fish sauce, salted shrimp, the mixed apple onion, minced garlic and ginger, and some sesame seeds. Mix it all together. If you want, you can also mix the seasoning all together first, then add the radish and mix it well. So after you mix it, put it in the container. It's more delicious if you eat it after 4 days to 1 week. So that's all for now. See you next recipe video. Thank you for watching. Bye!